Good morning, hoggers. It's Sunday morning coffee and trains. We got our coffee at Lulu's. We trackside, waiting on some trains. It's Sunday, May the 10th, 1953 on the PRR in the 1950s and N-scale layout. And while we're trackside, waiting on our trains, we got our radio tuned to our AM dial radio tuned to YRUN4 for all your smooth sounds. And playing on the radio is How Much Is That Dog in the Window by Patti Page. And the news for 1953, May 1953. Jacqueline Cochran is the first woman to break the sound barrier. Tornado strikes Waco, Texas, and killing 114. In sports, the St. Louis Browns, Bobo Holloman makes his MLB debut and pitches a no-hitter against the Philadelphia A's. 6-0. And then his first world heavyweight title defense, Rocky Marciano KO's former champion Jersey Joe in the first round at the Chicago Stadium. And on the Sunday menu at Lulu's, we got fried chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy, corn on the cob, good old Sattarelli rolls, hogger pie, and sweet iced tea. Now let's go find us some trains. We trackside. I think we got our first train. We got our first train. It's an eastbound, the ED2. Detroit to Enola, the gas wagon. With some Sealiner power. It's a mixed freight. ED2 is mixed freight. It looks like the Monteeville turn, rounding the curve with some Alco power. We've gotten a few things done on the layout. We've been making some trees, kind of playing around with making our own trees. There's Nathan, he's over there helping Wilmer out, cutting his grass. We got Wilmer and Gizmo on the porch. They rail fanning on the porch. Wilmer's got his coffee. We've been making us a few trees. I made those out of grapevines. You buy grapes at the supermarket, the little stems, the vines that they come on. You get through with all your grapes, hang those out and let them dry out. I just been adding woodland scenic foliage to it. Here's another one. We made. I need to paint the trunk of that one. Watch our trains here for a minute. We'll get another sip of coffee. We're watching our trains. The Blimey boys has been busy over at Lulu's. They've been working on the deck. Still got to put a railing on it. Some things. Be able to sit out and eat and watch the trains go by. She got her some signs put up. Some apple pie and cherry pie. Jerry's favorite. Hey. Yeah, she been keeping Jerry and Christopher busy. She said they've been trackside too long, too much. They need to do a little work. We've eased on over here to Wind Tuna. Set up here at Cinder Scrap Yard. Catching the ED2 gas wagon running by around in the curve. We got our buddy Hogger Monty with us today. Come on. It's Hogger Monty. Hey, Mama. Say hey, Mont. Say hey, everybody. It's Hogger Monty. We'll ease on around here. We've done a little work in Wind Tuna. We've poured some plaster. Working on the ground over in the industrial area. We did a little painting around the creek, Turtle Creek. There's the community roundhouse Model Railroad Club. They still rail fanning in Wind Tuna. I think them fellas really like rail fanning in Wind Tuna. They're watching the ED2 pass by. We've started work on our cement plant. I finally got the workbench cleared off. I can do a little work over here. We're getting started putting it together. I'm gonna call it I can't decide. I'm thinking about calling it the Keystone Ready Mix. See what y'all think about that. Let me know in the comments. Been working on another bomber kit, B-24. Started working on that. That'll go up here on my ceiling. Y'all can see without the big ball of fire in the sky there. Doing an air battle on my ceiling. 8th Air Force. Got the Germans, Me-110s and 109s, Focke-Wulfs. Some dog fights going on. It's P-51s, it's P-38s. I'm gonna put some strings of bombs. Bomb doors open, dropping some bombs. I got a lot more to hang up. This one I'm working on, it'll go up there. He's over here. See what else we can. Who is that? It's Brian over at Iron Horse Tomato Farms. He's delivering some fresh tomatoes to Vinny's Cucina. Make some good sauce for lasagna. Got all of his tomatoes loaded up. Lulu said she's waiting on him to bring her some tomatoes. I'm sure we'll be seeing him over at Lulu's. That must be some of hers in the back of the truck there. I noticed he's got some green tomatoes. She told me she was going to put fried green tomatoes on the menu. Brian's going to bring her some green ones. We got us a new piece of rolling stock. Hill's Brothers Coffee. That's headed to Montyville to be set off at the team track for Lulu's. Said she was going to send Jerry and Christopher over there to offload it on Jerry's truck and bring it over to the diner. The Lulu's got lots going on. That's what I've been up to. We've been working on Lulu's, and we got Brian over at Iron Horse Route Tomato Farms delivering tomatoes. We got our new radio station up and going. YRUN4 on your radio dial number 4 on your AM radio for all those smooth sounds. We still got Cary Grant. He's still out there running from the crop duster. Officer JD, he's always on the job. That's what we've been doing on the PRR in the 1950s and then scale. Like I said, we've been adding some signs for some pie signs for Lulu, and Christopher and Jerry's been building her a deck, little loading dock back there. I see Satarelli Rose is delivering some fresh bread over there. We've got started on the cement plant. Yeah, like I said, I've been trying to come up with a name for it. I thought about Keystone Ready Mix. Well, like I said, tell me what you think in the comments. Y'all like that? We'll call it. That's what we'll call it. Been doing a few Facebook Lives on the PR in the 1950s Facebook page. We're kind of getting back in the swing of things. Got lots going on, lots of projects. We always here, trackside. We got plenty of pie and plenty of coffee. So come on and join us. But everybody stay safe. We'll make it through all this. Things get back to a little bit somewhat of normalcy. See, the coaling tower's kind of getting low on coal. We need to get the local to bring them some coal pretty soon. That's what we got, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Everybody stay safe. Keep highballing, hoggers.